Hey, Scott Himelstein with the Scott Himelstein Group. Welcome back to another edition of our video blog. Today we're talking about whether or not it makes sense to buy a fixer-upper. All right, so today on our video blog, we're talking about whether or not it makes sense to purchase a fixer-upper. Before we do the reminder, if you're a home seller, check out our free home value report. And if you're looking to purchase a home, we have our free MLS search tool for properties all over Southern California. All right, let's admit it. We all watch HGTV. We like Flip or Flop, and they make it look so incredibly easy to flip a home and make loads of money. And yes, that is definitely a possibility to make money if you're trying to flip a fixer-upper. But there's a few things you should know to make sure you make the right decision. We're going to talk about those today. Now, first, you really need to evaluate the home's price. Make sure the property is priced appropriately for the condition and you know what its price will actually be after all the repairs and upgrades have been done. Next, you'll need to be able to find out how much you're actually going to be able to do on your own versus what you're actually going to be able to outsource. I mean, look, repainting or laying down, new carpet is one thing, but if you're doing any plumbing, electrical, foundational work, etc., that's something that you probably want to leave really best for the professionals. So there's a lot of opportunity in fixing and flipping a home, but it's not really without its headaches. And that's why, again, you really need to get good repair estimates. A kitchen repair might cost anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000, $40,000, depending on what you're actually looking to do. But getting a contractor to take a look at it and give you an accurate estimate will make all the difference. And really, you should be getting those estimates before you even write the offer on the property to make sure you know exactly what you are getting into. So, especially in today's market where you're seeing the price of actually being able to fix a home has increased dramatically over the last 5 to 6 years, easily double the cost. Just take a 1,500 square foot home, back in 2013, 2014, you could, do everything to that home, including roof, electrical, and an entire HVAC unit and labor and get it done for about $33,000. Now that same 1,500 square foot home, just due to the rising material costs from fires and hurricanes and, everything of the like, and the demand for supplies, as a result, that same 1,500 square foot house will now cost you almost about $55,000 to $60,000, depending on, what actually needs to be done to the house. So these are things that you really need to be able to, determine up front before you actually write an offer on a fixer-upper. So really, at the end of the day, the final thing that you should be able to remember is make sure you know what your stress limits are. There's a lot of opportunity in fixing and flipping a home, but it's not without its headaches. Many times these projects take a lot longer than you actually may think or would hope for it to actually take place. Or things end up coming up that you didn't actually foresee, and it ends up costing you a lot more than you originally estimated. So your ability to deal with these kinds of variables is crucial. If you're still looking to buy a fixer-upper or any other type of real estate, give us a call today here at the Scott Himelstein Group, 818-396-3311. That's 818-396-3311. And we look forward to seeing you next time on our video blog.